Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the best exit lag settings for FPS Boost in 2026 and how you optimize your connection for smoother gameplay, reduce stuttering, and better overall performance. And if you want to try exit lag with a 1-year 50% discount, I have a link in the description where you can sign up. So let's get started. First of all, open your exit log and log into your account. Select the games that you want to optimize and allow exit log to analyze the available routes. Like for example, I have to pick Fortnite for it. So for the best results, leave your route selection on automatic and exit log will automatically choose the fastest and most stable route to your game server. Next is enable multi-path routing, and this helps reduce packet loss and connection instability during gameplay. For your route settings, set the TCP routes into 0 and the UDP routes into 4. After that, click the apply routes and wait for the exit lag to finish optimizing your connection. Now, let's enable exit lag FPS boost features right here. And then as you can see, you will be redirected into another section. Then you just have to toggle it on for the maximum performance of your games, as well as the priority background process. Toggle it on also with the power savings, but it's unavailable at the moment on my screen. Also for the gamer backgrounds recordings. It's unavailable, but you can toggle it on in your screen if it's available. You can also toggle it on with the course active. As you can see, the computer requiring to restart your computer, but it's allowed to restart your computer, but on my end, I'm not going to restart it. Also, apply the access timestamp and super fetch. But hey, you can also enable disable superfetch and disable Windows search if you want to reduce background resource usage while gaming. These settings are designed to prioritize gaming performance and reduce unnecessary Windows process. It is important to note that exit log doesn't magically increase your GPU's power or give you a true zero ping. Instead, it can improve smoothness by reducing network-related stutters, packet loss, and frame pacing issues that often feel like FPS drops during gameplay. And once you applied all the settings, launch your game and compare your FPS, frame times, and overall responsiveness. Then you should notice smoother gameplay, fewer lag spikes, better hit registration, and a more consistent gaming experience. And that's it for today. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more gaming optimization guides and tutorials. And don't forget, if you want to try Exit Log with a 1-year 50% discount, check out the sign up link in the description below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!